In this video, we will be taking a look at how to set up your own subtheme for Omega. I have already gone and downloaded Omega for Drupal 7. So the first thing we'll need to do is copy out the starter kit that we wish to use. So I'm going to grab the HTML5 kit here and place it in the themes directory alongside Omega. Next, we will need to rename this to our theme name. And then from there, we can get started. So the first thing we'll need to do here is change the info file to match our name. There we go. Now that we have that done, we can go into the CSS folder and start changing our style sheets to match that as well. So what we'll need to do is change everywhere it says your theme to match our theme name, but we want to make sure we leave everything else as it is. So I'm just going to go in and change each of these. There we go. Now that all of our files match, we will go back and we'll dive into the info file to make the rest of the changes. Here we can go ahead and change the name. So I'm just going to give it a little name there. And then if we want, we can also change the description to something a little bit more relative. There we go. The last thing we need to do is make sure that we delete these lines here. That will ensure that our theme shows up in our list. Now that we have that ready to go, we can go ahead and save this file, and we can head back to our site. Now we can go and take a look at our themes list. And if we scroll down, there we are. We have a sub-theme based off Omega all ready to use. I'm going to go and enable this, set it as my default theme. And there we go. Our responsive test site is now the default. So we can go and have a look at our site. And there you have it. You're ready to go and start theming your responsive site.